Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal milk at home. Start by measuring 1 cup rolled oats and rinsing them briefly to remove excess starch. Then soak in 3 cups cold water for at least 15 minutes to soften. Use quick oats for speed or rolled oats for creamier texture, and avoid instant oats which can become slimy. Keep tools ready: blender, strainer, jar, and a towel for cleanup. Blend the soaked oats with fresh water immediately after draining to prevent sliminess. Pour the oats and 3 cups of water into a blender and pulse on high for 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture looks smooth and milky. Avoid overblending beyond a minute to reduce sliminess. Taste and add a pinch of salt, a date, or a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor, then prepare to strain the milk. Strain the blended oat mixture through a nut milk bag, fine mesh strainer, or clean towel over a bowl to separate liquid from pulp. Gently squeeze until most of the liquid is collected and stop before forcing tiny bits through, which creates grit. Transfer the oat milk to a sealed jar and refrigerate, and save the leftover oat pulp for baking, smoothies, or breakfast porridge to reduce waste and add fiber to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.